welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful shadow box for under $7. Hey guys, so first I'm going to be starting off with this shadow box that I picked up at Michael's. It's normally $12, but I had a coupon for 50% off. I'm going to be using this paint that I got from Michael's also. It has a little bit of sparkle in it and it's for multi-surfaces, so I really like this for glass and wood and things like that. Right here, I'm just putting down 4 sheets of cardstock paper. I'm just using this so that I have a nice bright white background. I'm going to start to cut my paper out. And what I'm going to do is cut it in half and try to create like a spiral design so that I can make a flower. Right now I'm going to begin to create my flower shape by just wrapping the pieces of the spiral paper around my finger. So this is what I came up with. I am now ready to start gluing my flowers down. So guys, this is how it turned out. I think it looks beautiful on the wall. I needed something to fill this space and this looks perfect. For only $6, what a statement piece. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you have, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.